Welcome to HealthWise, where healthy children make wealthy parents and thriving childcare centers. Are you worried about your baby's sleep safety? It's a common concern. Sleep is vital, but many overlook basic safety tips. Let's explore these crucial steps for safe sleep. First, always place your baby on their back to sleep. This position reduces the risk of sleep-related incidents. Next, ensure you use a firm mattress with a fitted sheet. This prevents suffocation and promotes comfort. Avoid placing pillows, stuffed toys, or loose blankets in the crib. These items can pose a risk. Now, let's talk about smoke. Keeping the sleep area smoke-free significantly lowers risks. Finally, ensure proper room ventilation. A well-ventilated room helps your baby breathe easily. By following these tips, you reduce the risk of sudden infant death syndrome, or SIDS. Thanks for watching today's HealthWise tip. Like, subscribe, and share for more childcare health insights. See you in the next video.